Hey guys, we're back in the booth. We're with Tim Strange. We're going to talk a little bit about Tim. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on with him. And we're pretty stoked because C10 Nation is involved with this one. Kind of neat. Tim Strange has been TV builder 25 years.
Yep.
He had a pretty cool show on the Power Block back in the day, Search and Restore. He did 8 builds. We've got a personal,
episodes.
Yeah, busy.
Kind of a give back, feel good show.
Yeah. Do you miss that part?
I kind of missed that part of the industry, feel good, give back. My buddies, builders from around the country came, volunteered, and helped. Companies stepped in and donated parts. And I don't know, I've turned down a lot of TV since. I never really looked out to be in TV. I just wanted to build hot rods, but it's kind of cool when you get that option to do it. And I've turned down a lot of TV shows since because I won't do a fight and drama fake build show.
Yeah.
So got a couple things in the works that we might bend him back up on the square box there and see.
Cool. The thing about Tim and I, we both have a face for radio, so this works out. But I think the key, you brought up what you like to do is give back, but you do that with Strange Motion too, right? You do that with your bikes and everything?
Yeah, we sponsor about 30, 35 BMX riders, and that's kind of our stress relief. Kind of tie it in. We've got, some Royal Purple sent us chain loop for the kids and all that stuff. We co-sponsored a kid that went to the Olympics, one of the 3 Americans. Wasn't the one that won the gold medal. He qualified and went to the Olympics on Royal Purple chain loop.
Yeah, and that kind of keeps you in what another passion of yours is riding bikes, and that's where you're from. And so it's kind of cool to think that you stay in that. You're still in automotive, and really at the end of the day, you're living somewhat of your dream. You're a hard-working guy who
some days it's kind of a nightmare, but I always that's all I ever wanted to be was a car builder.
Now you're going to build one for Royal Purple.
Yeah, I never really wanted to be an astronaut or a fireman. It was like, I'm going to build hot rods or race cars or something like that. And I guess it's pretty cool. 25 years next summer, I'll be doing it full time on my own.
I wanted to be a fireman, so that happened. Now I want to be a car builder. I don't know. I see how much you guys work. Yeah. I don't know. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I grew up on the farm, and I kind of quoted like Days of Thunder, but they said, I farmed enough so I could make money going racing, and it's almost like I worked in the farm enough to go build hot rods, and I'm going to build hot rods enough to maybe go back to farming someday with my dad.
That would be fun to go back to the farm. So you're going to, speaking of builds, you're going to build something for Royal Purple, 61 panel.
Yeah, it's an honor working with Royal Purple. Been around a long time. They sponsored one of the builds on the TV show. And they had this old panel truck. It looked really cool about 1993, 94. It was purple with flames on it, big 5 spokes, and a lot of horsepower underneath, big old school, big block, supercharged. And they sent it to us, and the guys are going to kind of give me free rein, and some of you C10 guys are kind of maybe going to be like, what's this old guy doing? Because we're going to do a classic build style that in 15 years is still going to look cool. It had big smoothie center cap 20s on it, and I sold all that stuff.
Don't you think that's kind of timeless though? Is that what you're looking for? You're looking for Royal Purple, you're looking for the panel, and then you're going to bring it all together in a classic style?
Yeah, it's going to have a new LS fuel injected. It might be supercharged again to kind of keep the theme. It's going to be way low. It's going to be on air, but not lay the rockers on the ground. And it's going to be a road tour vehicle. Power tour is our plan. Probably be out here next year. Got 16s and 15s, kind of a Halabrand real rodders look.
They still make those?
They do, dude.
They still make those?
Yeah, deep dish, and it's just gonna scream hot rod. And the paint design is like something from the 50s and 60s. We might put an old school Corvette grill in it. It's a 61 with a 63 nose on it.
Yeah.
And then I think we might even put like a early 60s Corvette grill in it. And we got some tweaks, but that body style you don't need to cut up because they're kind of factory customs as it is. So we're gonna tweak the grill. See if we're gonna have chrome bumpers,
and
chrome door handles,
barn doors, if I remember.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which they don't know yet, but kind of my deal is because we're gonna actually do some BMX events. I'm gonna put one of them slide out things.
Yeah, tray.
So it'll be great display for Royal Purple for events. We open the barn doors, slide it out, and have Royal Purple on display back there. Cool. So it's gonna be a theme-ish vehicle, but not like when most people, like when they turn on TV and they say a theme build, it's not going to be a theme build, but it's going to be a classic stuff to represent Royal Purple.
How about the interior? Anything got going on there?
Taking out the bucket seats, putting a bench seat in it, and a big old sound system for the road trip.
I didn't really think about that, but I like a bench in there because then you can put 3 people, like going to the bike track, you take your buddies, pick them up, and get your panel, you get your bike in the back, you get your Royal Purple.
With the back, with the stuff that we're going to do in the back, we're going to put little hook down tracks, so I'm going to make another seat that I can take in and out.
Okay.
So if you're hauling somebody, they want to sit in the back.
So it'll be on air, it'll be a little bit low, Classic paint, classic wheels, classic style, timeless. And you're thinking you'll have it done next year?
Yep, we got the chassis all done, the brakes are all there. Getting ready to have a meeting on a motor now about everything's all lined up for it. It's back, it's old stuff's taken out and it's back to being a roller already. We've got artwork done for it, but we're going to take another later time. I'm going to go to the Royal Purple headquarters and we're going to do an unveiling of what the artwork is going to look like.
Sweet. You guys, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Tim Strange, Royal Purple. Look for updates as they come out on this build. I'm not sure how much you're going to leak as you build it. Sometimes builders leak a lot, so you'll have it done by next year.
Yep, we're shooting for the power tour, if not another road trip thing before. And most of the projects we kind of keep under wraps so they're all done. This one we're actually already put out some videos on our social media. Royal Purple shared it. Our Strange Motion Facebook page and Instagram, Strange Motion Rod in custom with the N in the middle. And our YouTube channel is The Strange Motion Way.
Okay. So you guys can tune in, lots of places to view it, to kind of watch this build progress, and we look forward to next year checking it out.
Yep, hopefully it'll be here too with some road miles on it.
Ooh, that'd be cool. Another C10 in the Royal Purple booth, 2018. Check it out. Thanks, buddy.